Sanding small parts is just one of those things that come with the territory of 3D printing, but it's not always the easiest to sand small parts with an equally flat sanding surface, let alone do so in a small space. These are 3D printed mini sanding blocks by Clock Spring, and I think they do a good job at addressing the problem of making sanding small parts much easier. The download comes with 5 different designs, and each sanding block will also need to have 2 screws printed alongside it to clamp down the sandpaper. To use them, just cut out sandpaper strips to match the size and fold them around the ends, pushing the ends into these grooves and tightening down the screws.